Hi
guys.
everyone. Okay, we're coming at you live from the Nicholson Clinic kitchen. With the holidays coming up, I really wanted to show y'all some easy, delicious recipes because I know it can be a little bit of a struggle, especially being a bariatric patient. So we have two really good recipes for you. The first one is creamy deviled eggs, and these are very healthy, very good macros, and super high in protein. The next one is mashed cauliflower. So it's your version and you're like a healthy take on mashed potatoes. So I am super excited. We're gonna start with the creamy deviled eggs first. What you need for this is 8 hard-boiled eggs cut in half a cup of low-fat mayonnaise or light mayo, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, a splash of pickle juice, and pepper and paprika, but season with your heart. Whatever you want to put in it, put it, but this is a very good base. Okay, we are back, guys. My sous chef, Miss Ren, we finished boiling the eggs. She cut them in half and then scoop out the yolk. And then for your base, most people use regular full-fat mayonnaise. You can either do light mayo, or even better is Greek yogurt. Do plain, don't do vanilla. Plain Greek yogurt. You can do light or you can do full fat if that's what you're wanting. And Greek yogurt is like the perfect base for this. It's gonna make it so delicious, and it has no real taste. So that's a very good option. So we put that in the bowl. We did salt and pepper, season however you guys want. Recipe says 1/4 teaspoon of each, but you do you. And then we do 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. I don't know how much 2 teaspoons is. Y'all should measure, but I am not going to. Does that look good enough?
That looks great.
Okay, great. Sorry, I'm choking again. And then a splash of pickle juice. How much is a splash? We don't know. Boom. That looks like too much, but we're gonna roll with it. Okay, and then you're gonna mix this all up. Are we missing anything in here?
You already added your paprika.
Yes.
Good job.
Oh no, I didn't. And then you add paprika, guys. Paprika is one of those ingredients that's such a staple. Y'all need paprika. It gives it this like smoky, delicious flavor, but also like the perfect color. So I'm gonna reserve that for the end and also top it. So it's gonna give it this little color, pop of color. All right.
I like that.
I'm gonna finish mixing this. I'm gonna spoon it into the eggs, and then I'll be back with y'all to show y'all the final product. All right, y'all, I was putting it in here. I just want to show y'all how easy this recipe is. Literally, it took us maybe like 2 minutes after the eggs were already boiled. And you don't need to be fancy. You can pipette it if you want to be bougie.
Or just throw it in like that.
I'm just literally throwing it in. I don't care. And it makes the perfect amount. Like, this was perfect. And I heard Miss Amber just tasted this off camera. She said it was bomb, and she, you know, she would tell me if it was not good. And I'll be honest, I don't even like deviled eggs, but I know a lot of y'all do. That's why I picked this recipe. So I'm gonna taste it live for the first time. Maybe this is a bad idea, but if it's not good, I'm gonna tell y'all.
I think you got this.
Are you gonna taste it?
No.
Okay. Oh, paprika.
I'm gonna do just
good, thanks.
for you.
Wait, I'm not even lying. That's delicious. Oh my gosh, no, y'all have to try this recipe out. And it was like, what, 4 ingredients or something?
Very simple, easy to make.
So healthy, the perfect midday snack.
And we never made deviled eggs before.
Never, none of us did. And I love to cook, especially after having surgery. I feel like it's fun for me. But even if you don't, so easy. So that was creamy deviled eggs. We're gonna go share them with the office. I think everyone's gonna love them. The next recipe is mashed potatoes, but it's mashed cauliflower. So we'll be with you soon once we prep all this stuff. Okay guys, I'm forcing Amber to try it on camera to show you guys how it really is good. So what are your thoughts? I asked you when you had a full mouth. Great idea of me. But she's chowing down, going ham on them, so obviously they're not.
They're amazing. It's really, really good.
Tell me again.
And that pickle juice was the perfect splash of pickle juice.
Oh my god,
So,
yes. So
yes.
that shows you don't have to measure everything. Play around with your recipes. Have fun with it. If it goes bad or if it ends up being horrible, you know how to adjust it for next time. So yes, let's go show other people.
I'm eating another one.
Okay guys, Miss Luce is trying it. She's a health fanatic, so she'll tell you the honest. True. Stop. Are they really good?
They're delicious.
I didn't tell her to say that. You like it?
Did you guys like it?
Oh, it is really good.
guys.
Yay!
Good.
Woohoo! Okay, so for recipe number 2, we have our mashed cauliflower. This is a 4-ingredient recipe that literally takes no stove, no cooking, anything. So to make it easier on yourself, get a bag of chopped cauliflower. This, all you have to do is throw it in the microwave, steam it for 3 minutes. But I will give y'all an alternative. Trader Joe's sells mashed cauliflower that you don't have to do anything with. Yeah, looks like that.
Okay.
And this one you can do stovetop or microwave, and it tells you what to add. It's just water and the cauliflower. And that is a great idea as well. So we're gonna do 16 ounces of this cauliflower. We got the 12-ounce bag, so we'll just do a bag and then some. Oh, that's hot. Don't burn yourself, guys. We're gonna just get that in there. This is how I cook at home. It's full of being burned, and it's fun though, I promise. And then you add salt and pepper. I always start with just a little bit, and then I go from there. So I'll taste it. If it needs more, I'll put more. So we'll just start there. And then you do 2 cloves of garlic. If you want to be easy and lazy like me, get minced garlic and make sure it's in water, not in oil. So this looks like 2 cloves. You know what? I really like garlic. Let's just do a little bit more.
Just don't come sit next to me, okay?
What do you mean? And then this is the fun part. So what makes mashed potatoes so good is that they're so creamy and delicious. Well, this is where we're gonna get our creaminess from. I don't know if y'all have heard of the Laughing Cow cheese. If you haven't, where are you? Where have you been? They're so delicious. I wanna show you guys these 2 flavors. This one is aged white cheddar original, and this is light. This is one example of why, just because it says natural, light, healthy, it doesn't mean it is. These 2 cheeses have the exact same calories, 30 calories, same fat, same everything. So go with the one that you want and look at the ingredient list and the back of the what is the word I'm looking for?
The label.
The labels. Always look at your labels. This is why I always say it, for that reason. So we're gonna do 4 wedges of this Laughing Cow cheese. Don't worry, guys, we both washed our hands. So I'm just gonna plop those in there, and the white cheddar from these cheeses is just gonna give it such a good flavor.
And it's already creamy, the cheese.
Right?
It's my first time I've actually seen it.
Yeah. And you're working with vegetables, cauliflower, so you want to make it fun, you know? So get the flavored cheese. It's going to make it so much better. And I'm sure you can do other alternatives besides this cheese, but I love Laughing Cow. I put this stuff on any vegetable, like cucumbers. It's so good. So I'm going to finish putting these in here. I'm going to stir it up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I stirred it up. The heat from the steamed cauliflower is gonna make it super creamy and make the cheese melt. So that is it. Literally 4 ingredients, including salt and pepper. So try this recipe out, guys. Should we do a live taste test of this one too?
I think we should. Miss Amber.
Can I feed you?
Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna come around. The cauliflower, make sure it's cooked very well so it's mushy, guys. Okay, I'm gonna feed her. It's good, but it probably needs something else, right? So taste it and adjust it to your liking.
Maybe like a little salt and pepper.
A little bit more salt and pepper. See, this is what, you know, this is what cooking's about. You just gotta add it and fix it. But I'm excited to have shared those with you guys. If you try them out, let me know if you like them or not. And try the mashed cauliflower from Trader Joe's. Obsessed with those things. So that is it. I hope you guys have the best Christmas from all of us here. Stay safe, have fun, and Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.